This is the noble district, not a place for a lowly worm like you. You heard me. Move it, scum.
That's enough! He's already hurt!
Stay out of this, girl.
You're done here. Walk away. Now. It's okay, Caelon. They're gone. They won't bother you anymore. Just stay here and rest. I'll be right back, okay?
My king, according to your undercover fishing, the traitor has been confirmed as your uncle Velcor, who sits hiding in the drowned abyss.
Once the traitor is captured, you won't have to pretend to be a lowly merm beggar anymore.
Send someone to the palace to get the ring.
My king, the ring. It was worn by your mother when she married the old king. It is your most precious and unique item. I know. I still have one thing to do.
Hi, Caelon. I brought you your favorite sandwich.
Thank you, Mia. You've been helping me all this time. I have something to tell you. Actually, She is the one, my love for life.
Mom, I'm still at work.
I will make you my queen, admired by all my people.
Mom, I'm still at work.
Mia, the doctor says Grandma's situation got worse. Her biggest wish is to see you in a wedding dress. Is it safe to tell her that we're expecting a wedding this royal lucid day?
Don't worry, Mom. My fiancé has already proposed and we're getting our marriage license tomorrow.
Oh, she's getting married.
That's wonderful! We've used all our savings to prepare your wedding ceremony. We'll give you an absolutely dreamy wedding.
Never mind, thanks.
Mia! Come in here and fix the restroom door! It's broken again!
Yes, I'm coming! Sorry, I have to go back to work.
Joseph?
My goodness, Mia! I thought you were off today.
Hi, sis. Look at your fishtail. What a lowlife you are.
You should shift to your fishtail for our customers. Look at the hookers in the black market, all fishtails. Curly, sexy fishtails.
I can't.
Aren't you saving up for your grandma's hospital bills? Shift to fishtail, and I'll pay you 2,000 shellers on your wage.
Joseph, you cheat on me with my stepsister?
Well, now that you've found out, there's nothing left to say. We're over, Mia.
What? What about the wedding that Grandma's expecting for... We've been together for 3 years! And you just proposed to me last week!
Mia is so kind, so beautiful. I would gladly crown her as my queen and give her everything in the world. And yet this man treats her like this.
Joseph bought me a new necklace last week. It's the Siren Scale. I suppose that ring of yours without even a gemstone was just the free gift that came with the necklace. 10,000? Isn't that the money I transferred to Joseph earlier for our wedding?
Stop clinging to me. We're over.
My father has already made Joseph the manager of Royal Reef Enterprise. That's the king's own business. A commoner like you, who can't even transform into human legs, doesn't deserve to speak to Joseph. He's my father too. Your mother was the one who destroyed our family. You probably don't know this yet, but Joseph is going to marry me next month. He was only playing around with you. He's going with me to the City Hall of the Royal Reef to settle our marriage.
Joe! Did you see what she did? Teach her a lesson!
You crazy woman!
Caelon?
Sharks from the deep sea are the embodiment of the judges. Only those who fan greasing sins are punished by them.
Those sharks must have come for you, you bitch! Who knows if the meat you make at this low-class fast food place comes from sleeping with customers!
Bitch!
You filthy homeless! Don't touch me with your disease-ridden hands!
Ugh, where did this bum come from? Disgusting. But it looks like you and Mia are a perfect match.
You're the ones who angered the sharks! You wretches!
Come on, darling. That lowlife can't even transform into human legs. Careful you don't catch something.
Are you okay? A man like that is an idiot. He's not worth your tears.
You're right, he's not worth it. But my mom and grandma are already preparing the wedding. They've spent all their savings. What should I do now?
I think you should marry me.
So, Miss Mia Barradin, are you certain you want to marry this gentleman? Are you doing this of your own free will, or are you— No one is forcing me. I'm choosing to marry Caelon of my own free will. Both of you, please come with me for a lie test. If you lie, the clam will snap your arm off. Have you forced Miss Mia into this marriage?
No.
Are you marrying this guy of your own free will? Yes. Wait! Caelon Jones? The legendary undefeated war god? Our king, Caelon Jones? Impossible. There's no way. This fish-tailed drifter could be our king. So, I guess we're married now.
Mia, there's something I need to tell you. Actually, I'm not really—
You don't need to explain, Caelon. I don't mind your current status. To me, what matters is kindness and honesty. I can't afford any more lies. Let's go home. You look like you could use the magic hot springs to clean up and recover.
It's not the right time yet. I'll tell her later that I'm actually the king.
I'm just married like this? It still feels unreal. I hope I didn't choose wrong.
Mia, I already feel much better. How do I turn off the magic hot spring?
I'll help you.
are magical battle tattoos, only granted to soldiers who've earned great merit. I didn't see anything!
We're married now. Whatever you see doesn't matter. Let's just turn off the hot pring. I feel totally recovered.
I need to feed my clownfish.
My heartbeat. Why is it so fast? Calm down, Mia. It's just a rather well-built merman. Wait, he can transform into human legs?
Sweetheart, I've already told the entire Coral Tide Town underwater community. Your grandmother is over the moon.
By the way, when are you coming back to town?
Oh my god! Oh my god. He's insanely hot. Is this really the homeless I picked up in Coral Street?
Your new husband, Mia? Are you listening?
Let's talk when I come back to Coral Tide Town, Mom. I'll hang up for now.
Okay.
Is that your mother? I hope I didn't leave a bad first impression. I don't really have many clean clothes here, so...
Oh, right. I'll find you something to wear.
Who would have thought pink would suit me this well?
Tonight, you'll probably have to sleep there.
No problem.